What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Motorplex. It is the final day of points, and Nick is sitting first place in points right now by 2 points, so not even a full round. And third and fourth are tied, and I think three rounds behind Nick. So it is the last day for championship day. We are very excited, and it's a very stressful situation, as you can imagine, trying to go into the last day holding on to the points lead that he just took over a few weeks ago. I just went 583 in my time run, hitting a 006 light. Nick went I think a 638 or a 637 in his time run. I think he's feeling pretty good about first round. I'm sure he's nervous, and I'm sitting on the bubble right now trying to make the bracket finals team so we can go back to 131 for the first WDRA bracket finals there. So that's what we got going on today. Like I said, stressful situation always going into the last points day, whether you're holding the lead or whether you're trying to get to the lead. But like I said, I'm trying to make the bracket finals. One of my favorite races of the year. So I've missed most of the season because of an engine problem. We got this new engine out, and this thing's just rocking and rolling. So like I said, they're going to be calling us up here shortly, and we're going to get after it. Yeah. Thank you.
Saturday night final round here in Modified. Points ridiculous. Chevrolet Malibu in the precinct moving forward out of 630. Now he is in 585. Guidelines for home in the left-hand lane. He's in ready to go. Here we go. Switch coming down. Green line.
Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. As you can see, we were able to put it into the winner's circle for the final weekend of our points program last year. So that was all the way back to Labor Day weekend of the 2023 race season, which was our final weekend of points at our home track at the Motorplex. A lot of people, and we never posted this up, but a lot of people have been messaging us over the off season wanting to know how we ended up doing, if Nick ended up winning the championship. Well, that particular weekend was a little less than stellar for Nick. He had some bad luck, and he ended up finishing second place by 1 round. So a bit of a heartbreaker for him, but it does give him some fire for this upcoming race season for the 2024 race season. I was able to secure my spot into the bracket finals, and we have some video coming up for that. All right, so we have 2 more videos left that are gonna finalize the 2023 race season, and then we're gonna get into the 2024 race season, which is coming up here soon. We have some off-season stuff that we're gonna be working on. As you can see, no engines yet, so we're gonna be getting some video of us getting that stuff together for you guys, getting some shot video, which is something that we had, was requested from us. So we'd like to get some shot video for you guys on getting things set up. We got some new components that we're gonna be putting on the cars, and some new upgrades that we're doing with things. So can't wait to share that with you guys. Again, if you like this video, hit the like button, share away to your friends, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, and don't miss a beat. We will see you guys in another video.